Hey guys, this is Andrew for TradingSenses.com. So I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've decided a few months ago to create my YouTube channel because I want to show you guys all the different tools and techniques that I use at work that work for me to make money on the markets. And most importantly, I want to show you guys how to use it yourself. So if you want to know about all this stuff, you guys are in the right place. So today I want to make an update on Fubotv. Let's get into it. So very quickly, just I want to remind you what a trader job is. We need to analyze some data, and then we use this data to understand the flows. Once we understand the flows, we are able to build up a view and to take our position, set up our trades. Technical analysis is a set of tools that is using all this information like volumes, levels, news, all the stuff, and to see how people react to it. So it's analyzing people's reaction to some news and some market situation. So I just wanted to tell you this before I start to make technical analysis here, because here, guys, you know, the situation is beautiful, and I was actually telling you guys for a long time, and you must be surprised how I find out. And this is why I remind you guys what is technical analysis, is reading the flows. So when I did my video update last week, I was telling you guys that I was seeing a descending triangle here on the 4 hours time frame. Once again, the 4 hours time frame is the best time frame to use, guys. Always start from here, you know, always start from here and use the moving averages, the MACD, all the signals on this time frame. So here I was telling you we have this descending triangle, and that the horizontal base is at 20.7, that it is holding for now, and that, you know, on the longer time frame I was having a very strong support at around 20, 23, so 21, this area, right, all this area. So that's why I was bullish, and we had the 200 period moving average coming here. So this was the reason why I was bullish. This is why I told you guys that we are waiting for the volumes to kick off, and when they're going to kick off, we're probably going to break this on the upside, and that then the same thing will happen on the, you know, bigger time frame. So, you know, we have this breakout here. Look at the volume, guys. The volumes are insane. So you're going to tell me, yeah, but it's not because we broke it on the upside that people bought it. It's because there was a news. Of course, guys, of course, there is always a news. Here is why Fubotv stock is soaring today. So what happened? Shares of Fubotv popped 12.7% Friday. Guys, there was a very bullish day on Thursday as well. I did my video on Wednesday. So, you know, I'm going to explain what is happening here, but stay with me. So 12.7% Friday after the sports focused streaming service announced a deal for the exclusive rights to a major set of soccer matches. So basically, they're going to live stream the Qatar World Cup 2022 qualifying matches of the South American Football Confederation, which is very good for them because this is their business. So guys, let me come back to the chart. This was, of course, on Friday, but look what we had at the close on Thursday. All right, the close. So let's go on the hourly time frame. This is the 8th of April. Here we are at 20. I did my video here. I was telling you guys this is support. We're gonna see something happening. And on the last hours, we had this very strong move up around 8%, 7 or 10%, you know, maybe 8, I'm not sure, in a matter of 1 hour. I can measure this actually. All right, around 10%, guys, in 1 hour. So what happened here? Some people knew, guys. And once again, how did I find out that this level would work? You know, why is the news coming now? It's, guys, it's because, you know, the news, they're not coming suddenly at whatever the level is. They are waiting where it should, you know, for example, on the 200 period moving average, or at the level where, you know, it's worth buying this share. And the people who, you know, control the news flow, of course, you know, they give this information to some friends, to, you know, some maybe family, I don't know, but I can tell you that there was some insider that knew that the day before the news was released, and they bought massively. And once again, guys, I didn't know there was a news coming, but I knew that something would happen, would trigger some volumes, because the level was a level where we expect this kind of stuff to happen. So, you know, this information was actually already contained in the past price action. So reading the past price action is going to give you hints. Of course, there is nothing guaranteed, but it's going to give you hints. It's going to give you some context where usually this kind of situations occur. So this is what actually happened here. Right now, what can we expect? Guys, when you have such a big volume day trading, all right, so it's the biggest volumes Fubotv ever traded. You can see. First time they trade so many shares in one day. What does it mean? It means that it will keep going higher, because you never trade all your shares in the same day when you need to buy a lot of shares. You're gonna, this is not only retail investors. This is institutional clients that are stepping in the game, which is very good. And they're gonna keep buying it because this is what they do. They average the price. They never do everything the same day when the size is big. And here, guys, the size is not big. It's huge. It's like the biggest we've never seen. So of course, they're gonna keep buying. They're gonna support the price. So maybe they're not gonna buy any level, but they're gonna just buy at the support level that is around 21. So 21 is not going to break right now. It's going to hold. So I think we are done with the bearish case. That will not happen. Of course, things can change. Another news can come. So if you see something like this, careful. But I doubt this could happen now that we have this big money investors that are buying Fubotv. So what I expect, guys, is actually, we have this small triangle that acted perfectly. That, have we retested it? Okay, so you see, bam, we have not retested it yet. So maybe we will retest it, on Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't know, around this level. So 22 will be acting as support in the very short term. So I expect something like this. Maybe we go higher right away, but the worst case, we retest it, then we go higher. We're probably going to go here, get some selling reactions, and maybe we're going to come back to the 20 level. I don't believe it. I think we break it and then we finally go higher. All right. So this is my preferred scenario. My other scenario is that we come back here. It takes a bit more time and then eventually we break it on the upside. So once again, guys, this triangle is converging to the, I just connect the two highs that I have here, here, and here. So actually I have 3 reactions already. And basically end of May, mid-May, end of May. So this is kind of the longest time it could take, if you want to buy some call options, just think about it, take a maturity that is after the 1st of June. And the worst case is we have something like this. So guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I managed to explain to you guys what a trader job is about reading the flows, understanding, who is doing what, how things work, and then build up a view and set up your trades. So if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.